to 431 Manley Street, a beautiful century home with tons of character right in the heart of Midland, Ontario. This home is centrally located on a large lot and features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and plenty of space for that growing family. Come check it out. Just imagine yourself back here on a summer's evening. Maybe the barbecue's going, you've got a few friends over, and you finish off the night by enjoying a nice relaxing chat around the campfire. What more could you ask for? Don't wait, book your private showing today because this is a listing you're going to want to jump on.